Hello guys, welcome to our channel Info Voice. Let's see what we will discuss today. Today we will discuss about 10 advanced countries with high technology. So let's start the countdown. 10th country of my list is Finland. This small 5.4 million European nation in Scandinavia is famous for its high-tech healthcare facilities, while many think of the brand Nokia when they refer to Finland. Nowadays, Finland focuses more on biosciences, energy, and environmental science. Ninth country of my list is Netherlands. High-tech companies in Netherlands manufacture telecommunication systems, computers, electronic means, medical and scientific instruments, and electrical switching gear and transformers. The nation has made significant strides with inventions like compact disc, artificial kidney, pendulum clock, telescope, and microscope. Eighth country of my list is South Korea. South Korea is the birthplace of technology companies like LG, Hyundai, and Samsung. These brands are competing with global technology like Apple and Toyota. South Korean scientists have made significant contributions in fields like robotics. The average internet speed in South Korea is thrice that in the US. Seventh country of my list is Canada. Canadians have been in the field of science and technology since a long time now, thus making them one of the countries with the best technology in the world. Most Canadians working in other developed nations such as the US are seen working mainly in technological and scientific related areas such as the Aero project, and many of them employed in NASA, which lights the fact that Canada has some highly skilled population when it comes to technology and science. Sixth country of my list is England. This country has produced some of the best and greatest scientists of the world, due to which this country has been anyway ahead in the field of science and industrial aspects. Their knowledge and skills in these fields have been made them possess some of the best technologies in the world. Fifth country of my list is Philippines. Philippines is one such country which has been digesting inputs from several other countries in order to make themselves one of the nations with most advanced technology in the world. Not much is known about their present of actual state of technology, but sources reveal that they have equipped some of the best machinery and weapon equipments, thus making their technology advanced and developed. This country keeps its movement in technology under covers as the government have been concerned about the nation's national security. Fourth country of my list is America. The advances in space technology have played a significant role in making the United States of America a global superpower. From the atomic bomb to landing Neil Armstrong on the moon, this nation has the powerful and technological advanced military in the world. This nation has produced the world's biggest technology companies like Google, Facebook, Apple, Intel, IBM, and Microsoft, and many others. Third country of my list is Germany. Germany has been a high-tech nation for decades. Their research scientists are famous for their nanotechnology and space travel. This country is famous for its engineering study. Since the World War II, this country is famous for its military weapons and heavy tanks. This country is famous for its Berlin Stadium because this stadium astonishes all the people by their amazing technology and infrastructure. Second country of my list is Russia. Russia is one of that country list that can destroy another country within seconds. The Russians were the first to put man-made objects on the surface of the moon. This country has now become one of the best exporters in the world, because they are trying to update their heavy machinery and many heavy weapons. This country is so much famous because their weapons like S-300, S-400 and ICMB are the one of the best heavy weapons in the world. The last country of my list is China. As we all know that China will be the next superpower because of its increasing technology. This country has been performed many breathtaking achievements in the field of technology in the last decade. Their scientists are now working on the robotics, supercomputers, and automobiles. This country is also responsible for the gunpowder and compass. because it is one of the best inventions in history. Additionally, now they are also expanding their exploration program. Many gaming computers and many technological instruments like mobiles, heavy machinery are also imported from China. If you like this video, please hit the like button and give me your opinion in comments and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.